Okay?
Yeah.
Hey, Slingshot owners. Gail and Sam here. And have we got a surprise for you? You know what a pain in the neck getting a drink out of these drink holders in our Slingshots is. It's really hard, and we've come up with a solution. We call this the sip and ride. All I have to do is reach over here, grab the end of this straw, take a sip, and put it back. Sam can do his while he's driving. He doesn't need to twist around or see what he's doing. No, keep your eye on the road while you put it back. And this is going to be great.
I'm out of, we practiced this so long, I ran out of
juice. But we have these very tall, you know, stainless steel cups that keep ice in them all day and all through the evening. Instead of having to handle them because they're so heavy and unwieldy, this is perfect. Just take a sip and ride along. Sam's going to tell you how he put this all together. I'm going to let him make a video for you on this, and you're going to love it.
Well, let me just add one thing. For the driver, especially without a passenger, getting to the cup is very difficult. You have to really work to get to it with one hand. She usually hands me the cup at about this location. I grab it, sip it, and then she puts it back. So that's fortunate that I have a passenger. Now with this, we can independently sip on our drink as we ride and store the end. As a matter of fact, if I decided I did not want to store it, you can just drop it and then you just pick it up, do it, and let it go. We've just thought it would be nice to store this. Just about 1/4 of an inch is all you need in there to make it easy.
Yeah.
If you drive it all the way down, you're going to struggle trying to get it back.
Get back to the
Yep.
sipping
So it's
end.
very easy and works great. These are Yeti style cups, and what we have here is this is the what we draw from right here, and I'm going to pull this off and show you what we got. Actually, this is forced in there. This right here comes off of a metal straw and it's pliable. This right here slips in and out too much, so you need some resistance. This is 1/4 inch ice maker line. And what I do is I push these on, and you can push them in here like this and stick them all the way down. Whoop. So you make sure you're all the way down to the bottom. And then with your drink, you're going to pull from here, and then you just store your end in there. Okay? And I usually get it around. You'll put it wherever you like it. And hers is the same way. Now here's the other thing. These are stick-on cable mounts. They just peel and stick and use a little small tie wrap to hold them in place. You want to clean this area with alcohol good to make it stick. And you can just route it the way you like it. I found this is a good route. One of the big things that you want to do is not have this lower than the cup, because if you do, you're going to trap your drink in the hose, and then it could siphon out if this is left down like that. So you can just ride with it hanging down, both of them like this, and then just pick it up and sip on it, or just simply store it like we showed. Okay, that's pretty much it. Very simple and easy to use. You could even put a cover like over this if you don't like the white look. I don't mind it. Hey, it solves the problem. So you just put your drinks in there, set this up, and you're ready to go. And it doesn't interfere really with my putting my seat belt on there hooked, the buckle on the hook. Okay, that's pretty much it. So get out there and make your sip and ride, and I think you'll enjoy it. We're looking forward to using this as we ride around. All right, thanks for watching.